Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a requested recipe. We are going to be making peanut fudge. This fudge is not too hard, neither is it too soft. It's just in the center, loads of flavor, and we are going to be using simple ingredients. Into a saucepan on medium to high heat, we are adding 1 cup of table cream or evaporated milk if you have that. Then we're going to go in with 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 tin of a good quality condensed milk. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, a natural peanut butter that is homemade, and the recipe for this will be coming shortly. You want to mix this and break down the peanut butter. This peanut butter doesn't have a lot of oil to it, so it doesn't have a lot of fat, and it was in the refrigerator. But if you are using store-bought peanut butter, this will be broken down very easily as you mix. So we're going to be mixing this for 30 minutes. And while we are mixing, we want to clean the sides of the pan as we go along because the sides can easily begin to burn. We're going to mix this until we get to 220 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. I'm going to use a thermometer for one. And as you can see my spatula, how it's dripping. This is a kind of drip that you want to get before adding some more ingredients to this. While I'm using the thermometer to bring the temperature up, you want to take a look at the spatula and how the dripping is dripping. And we know that it's ready for our second batch of ingredients. So I'm going in with a piece of butter. This is 1 tablespoon of butter and half teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to mix this out and we're going to bring it up to a temperature of 236 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this again. This can be done using a thermometer or it can be done using a spoon and water. Once it's dripping like this, it's not ready, and this is where you want to add the butter and the vanilla. That's another way to test it. We're going to keep mixing for another 5 minutes. Using a thermometer again, we want to get up to 235 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the fudge continues to cook, the longer it goes down and reduces from here, the harder your fudge will become. And 236 degrees Fahrenheit is where I want to stay. So we're going to use a spoon again and dip it in water. And what you are looking for is for the mixture to stay on the spatula while it's dipped into water, and you know that it's going to hold its shape. Take off the stove and we're going to mix this until all the bubbles have become nice and smooth and our fudge has a nice gloss to it. You don't want to add this to your pan or your dish while it still has bubbles. I've lined the 4x4 baking pan with aluminum foil. That's because it's easier to fit into the pan and it's easier to remove the fudge. Pour the mixture in. You want to get everything in there. As you can see, there's some bits and pieces of nuts in this fudge. And if you are using smooth peanut butter, That's absolutely optional. You can also use crunchy peanut butter for this. Put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes until it's set and it's no longer running. This was set for just a little bit over the time. The only problem I will have is that I will not get smooth cuts, but the texture is going to be still absolutely perfect because of the temperature. So let's remove it from our pan. And to remove the fudge from the foil, you just want to pull the foil down from each side and you're going to get a nice block of peanut fudge. If you are enjoying the recipe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you see the hype button on your screen, press the hype button, which will give me points. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below and let me know where you are watching from, and I will add you to my next list of shoutouts. I'm cutting the fudge into blocks, and this is where I can begin to enjoy these delicious treats. You want to saw the fudge just a little bit and press into them. Had I removed them just a little bit earlier, I wouldn't have to do so much work. So we have some cute little blocks of fudge. And here you have it, our final presentation. Be sure to check out some more of my recipe videos and see you in the next video.